Ask any fisherman and they'll tell you that the size of the catch matters. It's much more impressive to tell your buddies it was so big it almost broke your pole than to tell them the only bite you got was so small you had to throw it back. But to a scientist, the size of a fish holds more value than just bragging rights. Size is an important factor in calculating the health of an ecosystem. Over the past century, scientists have observed a decline in the overall size of fish within their respected species. There are two main theories as to why this is occurring: global warming and current fishing regulations. Many scientists believe that high levels of CO2, which are causing rising temperatures and other global weather pattern differences, may lead fish to be 14 to 24% smaller in the next 40 years. This is due to a lack of dissolved oxygen in the water. When fish are unable to get the amount of oxygen their body requires, they either move to colder waters or die. Fortunately, as it is with all creatures, there are exceptions within the species. Some individuals in the population are more resistant to changes in oxygen levels. These resilient fish are oftentimes smaller than their higher oxygen-dependent counterparts. This can be due to a smaller amount of body mass that needs to be oxygenated or mutation within their DNA. Other fish have developed rudimentary lungs or a more efficient oxygen-transporting blood. There are fewer fish in the waters today than there have been in the past 100 years. In 1376, the English Parliament established fishing regulations to ensure the survival of fish for future generations. These regulations are the foundation for current fishing laws. The idea behind the regulations are to keep only the largest fish, which are supposed to be the oldest. By fishing the oldest or older fish, they thought that the fish would have enough time to procreate. Unfortunately, these laws are flawed, and fish populations are decreasing exponentially. Here is an example of a healthy fish population with a range of fish sizes. Under current fishing regulations, only the largest fish in a population can be removed. This leaves only small to medium-sized fish to reproduce, which leads to a smaller-sized fish population overall. There are opposing views to these theories. The first suggests that fish populations seem smaller because we continue to remove a larger percentage of the bigger fish each year, leaving only small fish in the waters. Another hypothesis says that when fish are not up to regulation size are released, the mortality rate, being 43% within 6 days, is so high that no directional drift occurs. There are long-term solutions to this long-term problem. The first is one that all people can participate in. It's going green, being more eco-friendly in order to reduce our impact on the ecosystem. This includes recycling, walking or carpooling to destinations, turning off the water when you don't absolutely need it, taking shorter showers, and turning off lights when you leave a room. By doing these simple things every day, people can reduce their individual carbon footprint, which in turn helps reduce their contribution to global warming. Another solution that is more difficult for all people to get involved with is balanced harvesting. This is an idea that suggests fishermen keep a smaller number of fish across a wider range of sizes. By doing this, there would be no directional shift towards smaller fish, making the population healthy and balanced. As of now, it is illegal to do this, but if enough people contact their state representatives and scientists publish more experiments, then it is possible to get this idea turned into a reality. If you wish to learn more about this issue or any of the solutions, you can click in the links here or below in the doobly-doo.